this video, I would like us to talk about many-to-many polymorphic relationship. And I would like you to picture a scenario where you have posts and you have videos, and each post and video have tags. But a post may have similar tags to a video and even more, and vice versa. So the relationship in this case that can be able to be done for this one is a many-to-many polymorphic, because we are having the tags in single tables, but then they are related to posts and they are also related to videos. Tags will be the child model, which the post model and the video model depend on. So let us go ahead and see what we can be able to do about that. So we are going to create 3 models. So the first model that we will create is a post model. So PHP artisan make model post. I would like us to create the model, and we can also create a factory. Then we will create the video model, and then we will create the tags model. The tag model with migration and factory also. And so basically that is what we have. Now inside our app models, we will go to the post model, and then we are going to have a function, create a relationship for it. So you have a public function, tags, and here we will have move to many, and then we will say return this move to many tag class, and then taggable. Okay. Then we will do exactly the same for the video model, because they're sharing the tags. And remember, it's not a must for it to be just 2 models. It can even be more models. You may find you have post, you have model, and then you have something else, maybe product sharing the same model. I would like to import the move to many class above here, such that we remove the error, and also here, so like that. After that, we will go to the tag class, and here we are going to have the reverse of that relationship. So we are going to have public function posts, and then we will have move to many, since it is a many-to-many relationship, and then we will have return this moved by many, then we will have the post class, and then the taggable. So again, we will have to import what we have here. So the class is already imported. Move to many, not move many. So let me import this one. So it will be like that. And also below here we have something similar. And what do you have here now? This one will be videos, like that. And then this will be the video class, that way. So after that, we are done with whatever it is that we're supposed to do inside the models. So I would like us to go to the database and create the tables that we need. So you go to migration, and I want to be concerned only for the 3 last tables. So the first one for the posts, I think we need table string. Maybe this will be the title of the post, and then we will have table text body, like that. And then for the videos, maybe we will have the title and URL. So table string, and we are going to have title, and then we will have the URL. as a string also. That is okay. Then now we are going to have the tags. So the first thing we will have is the tag ID, and then the next thing that we are going to have is the name of the tag, just like that. And that one will also be done. But we need one more table, which is called taggable. So I will copy the schema. I'm having issues. So I will copy the schema, everything here, and just paste it below here. And then now here I'm going to have taggables like that. So that is going to be our table, and here we are going to have the tag ID. So it will be an integer. Inside here we have tag ID underscore ID. After that we are going to have the taggable ID underscore ID, and lastly we will have the taggable type. So again, you remember when we were talking about one to many polymorphic, we were having something similar to this. So this here will go the ID of that model, and here we will go the type, in this case a string, maybe app models post or app models video or something of that sort. So that is the structure of our table. And also for dropping, we will have something similar. So I'm just going to paste here taggables. So that is that. I would like us now to go ahead and generate some the factories for whatever it is that we are having here. So for the post factory, I will go to database factories. For the post factory, we need the title and body. Title fake sentence. I need to change this. It's supposed to be fake sentence. That way. Need to remove this, yes, like that. And then for the body, we can have fake paragraph. Like that. That will be that. Then for the tag factory, I think the only thing that we need here is the name, I believe. So we can have fake word. And then finally for the video factory, we need the title, which will be given by a fake sentence like that, and we need the URL, which will be given by fake URL like that. So after that, we can go ahead and see how we are going to create some dummy data for our application, such that we can be able to check and see what happens. Let us head to the database seeder. Then inside here we can be able to run our factories. So I will clear this. And what I want us to do first of all is to create the tags. So we will run tag factory create, and then we will pass the number of tags we want to create. So let me say 10 tags. Then import the tag model. So after that, I want us to create the post and then assign the tags to, in other words, assign the tags to this post. In other words, create now the table which we are calling the taggable, and then we can be able to have it like that. We will generate the random posts using our post factory, but then we will pass in the tags. And after that, I want us to select some tags randomly, so they do not have to be a definite number. So whatever number you come up with, then we can be able to go ahead and pass in the values here, and then we can be able to insert them in the taggables. So that is what we are going to do for the post factory. Hopefully it works. We'll copy the same thing that we have, and then paste it below to also assist us in doing the video factory, or in other words, fake videos generation. So the only thing that I'm going to change is video. There, and here we have the video ID. And then finally here we have the video class, like that. I would like to attempt and see if this can be able to generate for us the seeders, in other words, the fake data. So what I'm going to do is PHP artisan migrate, because I haven't done the migration, and then we can say seed. Let us see. And it seems everything has gone on well. So let us try and see how we can be able to get the values of the tags that we have been able to get. So if we go to our web.php, into our routes file web.php, where I am doing the checks, so we can get a post, and then so we can say post will be given by post find, post with an ID of 1. After that, we can go ahead and do the post, and then we can say tags, like that. So I would like us to check it out and see what happens. Import the post class above. And then refresh and see if we will fetch anything. Now you can see we are having 6 items in the array. So in other words, we have several tags. The first tag is that, and then the other tag is this second one. Then of course we have all those other tags. So basically, you've been able to access the post tags. We can also do the same to access the video tags. So we can get a video, and we say is equals to video find video with an ID of 1. And after that, we can be able to do the video tags like that, and ensure also that we have imported the video class above. That means importing it here. And so we can also go ahead and try and see if we are able to load the video tags. You can see one of the video has actually 10 tags. So that is something, and you can be able to just check and see that the first tag is this one here. So basically that is that. Sometimes you may want to access the reverse, and before we talk about accessing the reverse, also you can be able now to loop through these tags if you want, if there's any need of that. So let us see how you can be able to access the reverse. So I want us to find a tag. So we can say tag, because there are 10 tags, we can be able to say tag find a tag with an ID of 1, and then we can be able to check the tag. So the tag, and then we can check the posts, and this will fetch for us all the posts that have the tag that we have in question. So let us attempt and refresh and see what happens. And again, we have 19. So in other words, 19 posts have that specific tag. And so that means we can be able to list them by their tags. So basically, that is what we have when we talk about these polymorphic relationships. If you like this video, you can give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and click on the notification bell. If you have a comment and a compliment or a question, you can shoot in the comment section below. Thank you.